Let's make some steak fajitas. I got this pack for 50% off, so about $5 for dinner. First, you're going to start by separating the meat with the vegetables. I added a little bit of lemon juice to both of them. And then next, you're going to add some chili lime seasoning. I got this stuff from Trader Joe's. You can also add cayenne or other spicy stuff, but I can't handle it. And then had to hit it with the garlic pepper because, you know, garlic on everything. Toss them around. Make sure your seasoning is coated on the vegetables and on your meat. You're going to want to heat up a pan with some oil that is way hotter than this and way less oil. This is my first time making fajitas, so y'all just bear with me. I drained a little bit of that oil out, kicked up the heat. You're going to cook the steak for about 3 minutes on each side. I'm using whole wheat tortillas for this recipe. It says softer and better tasting, kind of like me. Just kidding. Anyway, after your steak is cooked, you're going to take it out of the pan, put it on a plate to the side, and then add your vegetables to the cast iron. Cook these until they're nice and brown and smell amazing. Once your vegetables are done, add the steak back to the pan just to heat them up for a bit. Saute those around. Make sure everything is mixed together nice and hot. Next, you're going to want to fry your tortilla. I heated up a different skillet with a little bit of oil. Once you brown the tortilla on both sides, you're going to add your steak and vegetable mix. This recipe, obviously pretty easy, didn't take too long. Probably would have been faster if my pan was even hotter, but you know, we'll learn next time. This is what the steak fajita looks like for my partner. I'm trying to be healthy and I forgot to get guacamole and sour cream. Please don't come for me. This is going to be my fajita. I'm adding some lettuce for green crunch vegetables, healthy, whatever. It was actually really good. But anyway, I know this is not authentic fajitas, so please don't drag me. This is what mine looks like. I'm going to add some cheese because y'all know I add cheese on everything I eat. And then a little bit more lime juice. I know it's not real lime juice. This came from the dollar store. But anyway, this is my fajita wrap for dinner. It was delicious and pretty healthy. I love the 50% off meat section. If y'all have a clearance section in your grocery store, I highly recommend you check it out. Please like and follow for more. Thank you.